Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to install a Fiat Doblo door, side door specifically. And let me say at this moment that this applies to many vehicles such as I believe is the Peugeot Partner, Citroen Berlingo, Toyota VORÈAS, etc. And without any further ado, let's install this door. So guys, first things first, in order to install the door back on the vehicle, first thing you need to do, please note that you will need two persons in order to finish the job. First thing, you have to install this hinge down, this with the, I don't know if it's a hinge or how is it called. You put this part here on the shaft. You put this wheel on top, and then someone at the back has to turn this hinge in order to go inside. Now that the door is installed, we have to put back the brakes that hold the door at one place. Match the screws, adjust the brake so it can be in position. This is the long screw, this is the shorter one. This is done. Check the door if it's closed correctly. Very well. Next piece you want to install in this is this plastic piece, the plastic cover. Make sure when you're putting it back that these white clips are going here. So let's do a testing first. This needs to be, move this a little bit. Few clips. Check the door again. Very well. Now moving on, we are going to be installing wires. The plug-in, there's the orange button here. So this goes in like first in the back, this in the front, then you can move it back and forth. Moving on, we're installing this piece. This is the one that holds the bracket here. Last but not least is the brake that goes on the top, which has an 8 size screw that you need to bolt on the top. Let's go ahead and install the last part. Now, as you can see guys, the door is perfectly closing, opens and stays at the same time. If you find value in our videos, if you find value in our content that we're doing here, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.